The Master of Science in Cybersecurity Professional Track is a new program at the University of Tulsa. This degree is custom designed for working professionals to acquire foundational knowledge while developing expertise through hands-on applied scenarios. Whether you want to work on the front lines fighting cyber criminals or oversee the design and implementation of technological controls as a Chief Information Security Officer, our program equips graduates with in-demand, highly specialized skills to advance their careers. Available jobs include Information Security Operations Managers, Security Architects, Threat Analysts, Risk Managers, and Cybersecurity Consultants. TU has a long history of cybersecurity research and education dating back more than 2 decades. Our world-class cyber faculty span many disciplines from computer science, engineering, business, and the social sciences. What we're doing that's different from other programs is leveraging our existing faculty and curriculum in a more flexible way to accommodate the needs of working professionals. Students anywhere in the world can take courses while gaining hands-on, practical experience in virtual labs and interactive assignments. We are unique because classes are taught online or in an optional on-campus immersive format by experienced faculty who encourage interaction with fellow students. As a graduate of our program, you can access a professional network of employers who recognize the value of a TU cybersecurity education.